She bought ice cream. Pinky, let me read this book. Please buy me an ice cream. In a minute, Bigu. No ice cream vendor here.
There?
There in the next street. Oh, he has gone to another street. Give me an ice cream. Oh, ice cream is melting in the sun.
Oh, ice cream is melting in the sun.
Pinky, did you get ice cream? Yes. Here, take it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share to your friends. Bye.